hotspots. So yeah, so earlier we talked about in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. So now let's come into biodiversity hotspot. So what do you mean by biodiversity hotspot? So this was the concept that was emerged, introduced by the Norman Myers. So what does it mean? So it's a biogeographical region of biodiversity which is under threat from the humans. So these are the biodiversity regions where the depletion of the biodiversity is so rapid because of human activities. So these are considered as biodiversity hotspots. Means these are very crucial for conservation. Next, what is the criteria to be declared as biodiversity hotspot? An area as biodiversity hotspot. So one is 0.5% or 1500 endemic species should be present in that area, and of it, at least 70% of the primary vegetation has been lost. So starting so from the start, so at least 70% of total primary vegetation is lost. That means only 30% has been preserved. So if this criteria is satisfied, then it can be declared as biodiversity hotspot. So in world there are 35 biodiversity hotspots. In India there are 4. So one is Western Ghats, in Andaman Nicobar, Northeast, and Indo-Burma belt or Himalayan belt. So for so government also took some initiatives by appointing two committees on Western Ghats for conservation of this biodiversity hotspots. So the two committee names are Gadgil Committee and Kasturi Ranjan Committee. So the Gadgil report given by the committee says that the entire Western Ghats should be declared as eco-sensitive area, and there should be no industrial activities permitted in any case. Whereas Kasturi Ranjan report says that 37% of that Western Ghat area should be declared as eco-sensitive area. So with it also permitted some limited industrial activities, economical activities. Next, coming to hotspots. So hotspots is also similar to hotspot, but it is for oceans. So it is given by the Mission Blue, which is an NGO. It is not anything related to the UN. So India has two hotspots. One is Andaman Nicobar and other is Lakshadweep. Next, MegaDiverse countries. So it was given by Conservation International. So it declared 17 countries as MegaDiverse countries. So once check in Google, what are the 17 countries, MegaDiverse countries that was declared by the Conservation International. Again, it is an NGO, not anything related to the United Nations. And the criteria to be declared as a country as MegaDiverse countries. So it should contains at least more than 500 species of endemic plants and animals be present in that nation. Next thing is IUCN RedDataBook. So IUCN International Union for Conservation of Nature. It is basically an NGO and it is nothing related to United Nations. It was founded in 1964 and basically it has a red data book. So it contains both pink pages and green pages. So what does pink pages means is basically the critically endangered species are present there. Whereas in green pages, earlier which are endangered has now no more longer are endangered are present in green pages. Those species are present in green pages. So this red data book contains the red data list. So basically threatened species. So what is the criteria to be declared in this red data list? So basically it will be classified as critically endangered, and vulnerable. So these are the three categories that will be present in this red data list. So what is the let's check out what is the criteria for it. So to be declared as a critically endangered, if the population size is less than 50, then and the population lost in the last 10 years is 90%. So if these two conditions are satisfied, then it can be declared as critically endangered species. And next is endangered species. If the population size is less than 250 and the population lost in the last 10 years is more than 70%, then it can be categorized as endangered. And coming to vulnerable. So if the population size is less than 10,000 species and the population lost in the last 10 years is more than 50%, then it can be classified under the vulnerable species category.